be a really short video. I just wanted to take a second and show you guys some new stuff that we have over here at the shop. I upgraded our fuse holders and we have a whole nother addition to the family. But even better than that, I got the icing on the cake. Let's check out the new SMD XL2 fuse blocks. Just like candy. We got copper. We got aluminum. We got tons of colors. The best part about the new XL2 is that the fuses are completely independent from the actual wires themselves. So you can put a fuse in and take it out without taking your ring terminal off. I think it's pretty nice myself. Let's take this off and take a look at it real quick. Alright, that's just a little something. I'm super proud of those. They came out real nice. Got lots of colors to choose from. It even made my older stuff look better having that little trim on there. But let's go get the icing on the cake right now. They just showed up today. Of course, we make this stuff in-house. We got some translucent red right here. Anthony, can you bust me out some 500s? We got 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, and 500. Oh yeah, got that bad boy open. Let's look at him. These look good. All ceramic, riveted, high quality, high temperature. The good shit. These won't melt, they won't warp. I say we slap a couple of these on one of those fuse holders, see how they look. Right, we got this one already going out to a customer today. Let's slap some fuses in it and see what it looks like. Put all four of them on there. Gotta see what that looks like.
Upside down.
Alright, this thing's already done. Looking good. There you have it. SMD ANL fuses, ceramic. The new XL2 fuse holder. Get yours, wccardio.com, Amazon, eBay, or hit up your favorite SMD dealer. Yeah.